Good girl. Getting the clover. You can have a pet sheep in an urban environment with this new poop cup. It's just a maple syrup cup, maple syrup plastic jug that I cut the top off of, and I hung the two strings in a loop fashion so that it can stay balanced. And this is just a bamboo skewer that I cut off a piece of bamboo pole. And yeah, stuck it through and hung that poop cup on, and it's awesome. Don't have to worry about cleaning up pellets. It's urban sanitary, sidewalk sanitary. Don't have to worry about it or leave anything. You're doing a good job of cleaning up the. Look at that. You just started right there. I got the camera at 5 feet. You're doing a good job of getting edges. Get back on the edges. There you go. So I like these edges more anyway because all the plants that are growing right along the sidewalk, they have an advantage, a nutritional advantage, because their roots can grow underneath the sidewalk where there isn't any competition. So not only are they a little bit more nutritious for her, but they're also always there year-round right next to the sidewalk because their roots are able to not only get the nutrients underneath the sidewalk, but they're able to get the moisture year-round, even in the middle of the summer. So, pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool advantages to having a pet dairy goat or dairy sheep in an urban environment because there's year-round grazing, convenient grazing right up everywhere because there's concrete everywhere. So ordering every piece of concrete is year-round superior grazing that could be converted directly into superior food product in the milk, cheese, and butter. If you have a goat, you can turn them into an urban pet that holds its own poop cup by putting a jacket over them. It's just a piece of cloth, square piece of cloth that goes over them, and then in the front have a string, and then in the back have a string that attaches both sides. And the string goes underneath the tail, and then it can't slip forward or backwards. And you don't really need a belly strap, but that does help. And then you're able to hang a poop cup from the back of the jacket, but with a goat's tail goes up, so it doesn't help hold it in and keep it from rocking. So you would need to attach the sides of the poop cup, string from the side of the poop cup to the side of the goat jacket. The goat's jacket. Here's Daddy do. Urban pets are possible. Urban dairy pets. You don't have to feed and they feed you.